What is going on, guys? Welcome to GT's Performance. So today is going to be the first official day that I start putting in work on V8 Nation's truck. So the plan for today was, put the truck over here in this garage door and just remove the bed, but I forgot the keys. So today I'm going to do whatever I can. So I'm going to go ahead and get started by removing the door handles, the side mirrors, the windows and the window trim, door panel on the inside, and do the same for the driver's side. And then over here in the front, probably get rid of the just remove the headlights, the parking lights, and the grill, and just try to do whatever I can today. Leave it prepped. Whenever I get the keys, I'll just go ahead and drive it around to this other door and remove the bed. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Here we go. The reason I like doing this is because of this exact reason. When they painted this, you can still see the original color underneath, and the primer only got up to right here, so they taped the moldings and then they just sprayed, so that creates an edge, a line where, you know, the paint starts, you know, like lifting, or like right here, for instance, the dirt that gets, you know, compacted right here, it starts seeping into like the paint and it starts bubbling up all the edge. So that's why I don't like doing just tape. So this one, we just pull it, and then I think, all right, so this is just a weather trim. Right here there's these Torx screws. Right now I'll get the screwdriver and I'll check what size it is. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 bolts. It's missing 2 already, so I'm gonna remove that one. Also this one right here, all the way around, I'm gonna remove that one, and then that bottom plastic trim, some of these plastics, I'm just gonna move them off to a side. That way we can mask this up and paint the door jambs. All right. So next up, I'm gonna go ahead and do over here up in front. I'm gonna remove the headlights, the parking lights, and the grille also. Yep, so let's go ahead and get started. LEDs popped out. There's some wires here out. I think it's for this daytime running light. But can I disconnect these? These I'm gonna have to unhook these also. All right. All right, so up here in front, I removed headlights, parking lights, and the grille. There was a few things like the headlights, the back bracket, the cradle, it was cracked and was broken. I saw the wires right here for the little light bar that it has on the headlight, and I see the ground that's coming from right here. It's a really thin wire, but you know, we'll fix it once we put everything back. And this one was just getting the power from over here from this parking light, the 194 or T10 in LED form. So it was getting the power from this one, and the other ones, these are just the plugs for the headlights. The headlights went with the actual headlight housings. Over here, down here, we have a halogen and one of these LED turn signals. And on this side, same thing, LED turn signal. The little glass eye fell off, halogen. And then got the two plugs right here for the regular headlights. And then of course the same thing with the ground and the power. We'll fix those, or whatever we're gonna do with the headlights. But yep, this is the front end. This one is T15 for right here, the weather strip on the windows. I already went ahead and removed like a few things. The door handles, right here the trim around the windows, the side mirrors. Through the inside I removed the door panel, of course. Right here, the little trim, the little weather strip, the one that goes right here. Over here in front, I removed the headlight, parking light, and grille, both sides. Driver's side, window is off, side mirror, door handle, door panel, trim, weather strip over here, the plastic trim over here, and the third stoplight right here. So there's still a few more things, plastics and that. Weather strip all around the door. I'm gonna remove that as well. But for now, I'm gonna move the truck over here where the white car is at. That way I can remove the bed. So I'm going to just reverse the truck over here in this parking spot. That way I can remove the bed, and then I'll just bring the truck back over here to this side, and that way I can start on the cab first. So I'm gonna go ahead and move the cars around, and I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Alright guys, the truck is now over here on this side. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go underneath the truck and I'm going to take off the bolts for the bed. That way we can take it off. So I'm going to go ahead and get under there and take those off. I'm not going to take the camera under there because one, it's just pretty low and it's uncomfortable under there, and then it's pretty dark and excuses and more excuses. So I'm just going to go ahead and take off the bolts. Whenever we're ready to take off the bed, I'll cut you back in. Alright guys, we took off the bolts that were holding the bed. And now, right here, we have some of these ratchet straps. This is a plastic bed. So we're just going to ratchet strap this. And you can see how it's already picking it up. It's actually not that heavy, so just gonna ratchet strap this one just high enough to where we can roll the tires or the truck out of here, and we'll just drop the bed. So let me go ahead and do that. Vamos a darle unas cuantas para arriba y luego Espérate. Checa la luz.
Ahí está.
Sí, nomás desconecta los focos. Que se quede nomás para abajo. LEDs, ya. Ahí está. Ah, mira las luces. Se me hace que déjame desconectar los focos entonces.
A ver, para que pase por los agujeros esos que están.
Que son muy suficientes. Sí, igual que estoy en el trabajo tuyo. Voy a poner estos santos de la troca.
Ahí están los tornillos, pues.
Ahí voy. Bueno,
Está alta de madre.
ahí está.
Ya está ahí muy arriba, pero ahí la hace.
Ahí está, ¿no?
Sí. Sí, ahí la hace. Pues vamos otro poquito. Para. Escucha.
Ah, ahí está,
Ahí está, ok.
Bueno, déjame.
No olvide.
Sí. En lo que vino a quedar la troquita. Angel, en lo que vino a quedar tu troquita, bro. All right, the bed is off already, and just sat it on some of these sawhorses. Right there, it's pretty sturdy. This one is just gonna wait right here. I'm gonna park the truck back over there on that side. Just close the curtain, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just work on the truck over here on this side, and just get the cab painted, and then after that, we'll come back to the bed and we'll work on the bed. So, yeah, for now, I'm gonna go ahead and move this car back over here on this side, bring the truck back inside, see what else we can do today. And yep. Yep. Now Now I can work on the truck on this side. I'll just finish covering up on that side. That little peak right there, I'm gonna cover that so no overspray goes on that side. And I'm still gonna cover the vehicles or whatever is parked on that side just for the overspray. So let me go ahead and bring the truck back inside. Alright guys, so here's the truck. Got that bed off and the rest of the stuff from over here in front. So now we got the cab just on its own. There's still a few more things that I want to take off before I actually start sanding. You know, but it's basically like just inside the door over here in front. I'm not sure about the wipers and the wiper cowl, but I'll remove them if I have to. But yep, over here in front, everything's removed. Headlights, parking lights, grill. Here's the truck. And without the bed, so yep, that gives me a perfect chance right there to just clean the back side of the cab and just give it a nice coat of paint. Over here on this side, the bed is over here, so she's gonna be waiting over here while I'm working on the cab. And once I'm done, I'll come back to this one. This one doesn't have anything major. There's a little bit of clear coat peeling right here, but the rest of the bed is, you know, pretty decent. Over there on that side, I had a piece of the plastic just broken right here, this little corner. So I'm gonna see about trying to fix this. And but other than that, like the rest of the bed, a little clear coat peeling, but the rest of the bed is pretty much perfect. It is missing one of those plastics on top. We'll have to see about looking for one of those, but that is gonna be it for today, guys. Flip the camera. I'm gonna head out, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next. We're definitely gonna start, you know, sanding and getting some stuff done pretty soon here. So Angel, here's just an update, and it's going, guy. It's going. So that's gonna be it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.